The night is long, darkness whispers, but we stay strong. In this fortress of snow, we dream of the day, but time drips slow. It fades away. 5 hearts beating in a frozen room, echoes of life in the heirloom. Mythic folds of furs with a weary sigh. Layers of warmth can't chase the time fly. Tyler taps slightly, the rhythm's wild. Each beat breaks silence like an unsaid child. But the drumming drives the sanity thin. A blizzard beyond, a restless cabin within. Oh, can you feel the weight on our soul? Can you hear the icy wind rolls? Trapped within these walls of white, we're finding peace in a restless night. Eskimo boredom, nothing left to do. Wrapped in a storm, it's just me and you. But what if we find a melody to sing in a world frozen still? Let our voices take wing. Hold on to your dreams, let the rhythm unfold. In the heart of the storm, we'll be bold. Nanook wanders like a caged bear, pacing the thoughts, searching the air. Sick his gaze on the ceiling, lost in the drift, lost in the silence between moments adrift. Anna hums a tune unaware we can hear. Her melody softens the chill in here. What if we turn these whispers to sound? A drum of our hearts could lift us off ground. Oh, a band of our own, let the music take flight. Oh, we'll weave our hearts through this long winter night. Eskimo boredom, nothing left to do. Wrapped in a storm, it's just me and you. But what if we find a melody to sing in a world frozen still? Let our voices take wing. Hold on to your dreams, let the rhythm unfold. In the heart of the storm, we'll be bold. Come gather the warmth, come gather the light. We'll find our rhythm in the quiet of night. Beneath layers of snow, we'll create our own song. 5 souls together, we finally belong. As the blizzard whispers outside our door, 5 hearts beat louder for the joy in store. Eskimo boredom will break through the freeze. Together we'll dance until we feel the breeze.